Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the COD Modern Warfare and Warzone error code, right? So let's directly get into this. So what is this? So according to so many advanced players, there is an issue with the Modern Warfare game shortcut which is causing the problem. When our players are trying to launch the game using Modern Warfare.exe shortcut, the game tries to launch directly without connecting to the battle.net servers. So what we have to do? Right, I'll be showing you the screenshots. Just follow the instructions, try on your PC, and you can sometime fix this out. You need to launch the game using Modern Warfare Launcher shortcut, which will be access the battle.net servers. Additionally, you can reset your network devices like the router to fix this issue. Third one, try using a weird connection for a mobile hotspot to check for the error code. Fourth one, update your Windows OS and graphic drivers to the latest version. Fifth one, ask your ISP to renew your IP address and flush DNS to resolve any network related errors. Fifth one, open Task Manager and close all your Modern Warfare or Battle.net or browser or overlay AMP services, which is completely. And disable VPN or proxy server as well as check if the Windows Firewall or any antivirus program is causing the trouble to you. So these are the steps which you can try, and do let us know in the comment section if it works for you or not. Right? So that's all about it. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for the notification. This is Shahin signing off from Guitar Tips. See you soon. Peace out.